Hello, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the Chevy Colorado spare tire in case that you don't have the toolkit that came with the truck to do so. And on this truck, as with many other trucks, it will be located on the underside of the truck bed, tucked in just behind the rear bumper. And the first thing we do is verify that the spare is actually there. Secondly, that it's in good enough shape to be used, and also that it has enough tire pressure to function properly. And upon checking this tire's pressure, I notice it only has about 13 psi. I mean, it'll work like this if I had to, but surely will be pretty low when it's installed. So first I'm going to put air in it, which if you're watching this video, is probably because you're going to have to use it as is. But if not, this video can be a good reminder that this tire's pressure should be checked once in a while as well. So as a quick rundown, the toolkit is normally located under the passenger side seat, which you're able to access by sliding the seat all the way up. To remove it, rotate this knob counterclockwise till it comes off, allowing us to remove the toolkit. Assembling it like so, with this main lug wrench as a handle, these middle two pieces clicking as extensions, and finally the end piece. And this is what it should look like when it's put together. Although this factory toolkit still works best for lowering a spare tire, but in the case that they forgot to put the toolkit back in, or it ended up getting lost, there's still a way to do it. And what I'm going to be using will be two 3/8 drive extensions totaling 26 inches. The longer one of the two, which is 17.5 inches, and the shorter of the two being about 8.5 inches to make the length comfortable space to work with. If it's longer, it'll work fine. It can also be a single extension, but you don't want to make it shorter than this, and also don't want it too long either. Anyways, now that we're ready to lower the spare tire, all we do is slide it through this hole in the bumper that's meant for this, which leads us into the funnel tube that will guide the tool into the winch assembly. Rotating it a little to get it to line up if necessary, and once it clicks into position, all we gotta do is use the 3/8 drive ratchet to rotate it. As we rotate it counterclockwise, it will bring down the wheel. Continuing to lower it till we get down far enough to pull the wheel closer to us, and also give us enough room to separate it from the piece that holds the wheel. Now to do this, we'll first pull up on the wheel and slide down this rod far enough so we can teeter out the piece that holds the wheel. Which now frees up our wheel to be used. When you're done with the spare, we just do the reverse. Sliding in the rod and angle the wheel holder piece till you get it through. And with that, it's ready to be pulled back up. But you will want to make sure when pulling the wheel back up that this piece sits in the middle like so. But before pulling up the wheel, let's see how well the 3/8 drive extension sits in the winch piece. And as you can see, it sits in there pretty good with not much play. Now all we do is pull the wheel back up by rotating it clockwise. Once it's all the way up, we make sure that the wheel is up against the frame rails and the wheel holder in the middle is grabbing properly, which it is. And with that, we complete this video. I hope you were able to find this video helpful or informative. If so, please click that thumbs up button to support my video and my channel. And please subscribe if you haven't done so.